Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you fix the black screen issue on your OBS when you try to stream or when you try to record. So without further ado, let's get right onto it. So on your desktop, make sure you are on your desktop, right click and make sure to select display settings. Over here you have to select graphic settings, and over here under choose an app to set preference, make sure it is on desktop app and hit on browse. And in here, we need to select which drive our OBS is downloaded. So for me, it is installed here on the C drive. And once you are on your C drive or any drive, go to Program Files and search for the OBS Studio here. So just search for that. As you can see, it's here. Go over to bin, 64-bit or 32-bit. So this will depend on what capabilities your computer is having or laptop. If it is on 64-bit, it will appear 64, and if 32, it will be 32. So just click on that, whatever it is. And you have to select this OBS 64 or OBS 32 if you are on 32-bit. So add that here, and once you are here, it will show you like this. And you just have to select options here and make sure that it is set to power saving and let it save. So what this does, guys, it will ensure that your OBS will use your processing power, not your GPU's processing power. So it will use your CPU's processing power instead of your GPU, which is a good thing. After done with this, guys, you have to go over to the search bar, and if you are on Windows 11, you need to search for HDR as well. And if you are on Windows 10 like me, search for HDR also again. So over here under settings here, enable HDR streaming. So here, open that and make sure that it is set to off. As you can see, it is set to off because this will take a toll on your device's hardware if this is turned on. So make sure this is turned off and see if those work for you. So okay guys, those are the ways on how you can fix this black screen issue. Thank you for watching and goodbye.